Today is Microsoft Surface Day, but you know, I'm not a Surface user. But guess who is?
Hi, I'm Nicole Scott from Mobile Geeks.
And I'm Michael Josh from GadgetMatch. Today we go hands-on with the 2019 Surface family.
And we take a look at what's coming up next.
Before we dive in, nope, this isn't an episode of She Said, He Said, our podcast, although we have recorded an episode all about today's event.
But because we were there together, we thought that we would add a video component.
So Nicole, what was your standout device announced at today's show?
Obviously, it's the dual screen stuff. So the Surface Neo and the Surface Duo.
Coming in 2020.
Coming in 2020, but I totally love the fact that they put it out there so that there is a robust app ecosystem when they finally launch. Now it comes with an all-aluminum build, new colors, USB-C connectivity, and an all-new larger trackpad. There are also two sizes, a larger 15-inch version that comes with a custom AMD Ryzen processor, and they're calling that the Surface Edition. We're actually pretty thin on details, but it should be more powerful with a better GPU.
I think the standout device was the device that you could actually buy real soon. It's the Surface Pro X. This is the device I've been waiting almost a year for. It's like the standard Surface 7, a tablet, but with thinner bezels. It comes with a keyboard, and hidden inside is a new Surface Pen, which also comes with a package. But what's really special is that it's powered by a mobile processor. Last December, Qualcomm announced the Snapdragon 8CX. Over the last year, Microsoft worked closely with them to optimize this SoC for the laptop computing environment. Microsoft says if that's too complicated for you to understand, just think. It's now thinner and lighter, more battery efficient, but even more powerful than before.
And I totally agree with you. I mean, the fact that it comes with this kind of like souped up Qualcomm processor with a lot of strong customizations for mobile compute, it really does feel like a device that's trending towards the future. Now, Michael, I know you're a huge fan of the Apple AirPods, but there was a new device launched today.
The Surface Buds.
Now, what did you think?
I think they are great. They can do a lot of things like translation. There's like touch controls on the surface of the earbuds. But what do you guys think? Take a look at these images and let me know what looks better by joining our poll. Click over here. And last but not the least, the Windows Phone is back.
Whoa, whoa, whoa. It is not a Windows Phone. I'm a Windows fangirl, and this is not a Windows Phone. Actually, this is a new device category.
Not available till Christmas 2020, the Surface Neo is basically two 9-inch tablets connected with a hinge. It's a new class of dual screen device that's meant to be the ultimate multitasking tool.
Microsoft also envisions it to be the PC of the future. It runs the next generation of Windows, Windows 10X, and the new 10th gen Intel processors.
But what's got us most excited is the Surface Duo. Call it what you may, the Windows Phone reborn, Microsoft's version of a foldable tablet.
But we think it's more than that. It's quite possibly the ultimate portable computer that also happens to be a phone.
Oh, and it also runs Android. We saw glimpses of both devices from afar, but have yet to get some real hands-on time.
Maybe soon.
Across all the devices announced today, whether you can buy them in a week's time or you have to wait a year, I think the theme has been about the future of computing and what it will be like.
We saw today a whole new era of processors focused on mobile compute. We saw Windows 10X, a glimpse at a new operating system from Microsoft, and dual screen devices.
And that was our hands-on of the 2019 Surface family, including some futuristic devices that may change the way we use computers.
I can't wait to see how Microsoft deals with this dual screen phenomenon. Their focus on productivity has me jazzed for what is going to come up next. And of course, I'm shopping for a new laptop this year, so the Surface Laptop 3 is probably going to be in my backpack pretty soon.
And at least one new Microsoft device will be in mine. For more videos like this one, you know the drill, folks. Subscribe to our YouTube channel. Hit that bell icon so that you get notified every time we post a new video. Follow us on social media for all the behind-the-scenes fun stuff, and we'll put Nicole's links over here. And as always, make GadgetMatch.com your daily habit. Until the next video, I'm Michael Josh.
And I'm Nicole Scott.
Thanks for dropping by.